Welcome back to South Texas Living. And if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button so you can see all the cool things that we do. And today we want to thank Letwesaf for sending us this product to review. Okay, so we're going to unbox this Letwesaf radar alarm system. And what we got under the box is we have one receiver and one detector. And we're going to charge these up and we're going to pair them. And we're going to show you how that's done. Okay, both of these items you can charge on the bottom. They both have type C charge that you can charge both of these, or you can use a solar panel. We also have a solar panel that we're going to install, and we'll show you that later in the video. As you can see, this book pretty much describes everything with pictures. Everything's laid out. Everything's really clear to read. The instructions are pretty simple, laid forward, easy to follow. That's what I like about this instruction book. So now we're going to go ahead and pair these. So what we want to do is we want to grab the receiver, and according to instructions, we want to hold the side button in for 3 seconds. And then all the indicator lights come on and they flash in blue. So that means that the receiver is on. So now we want to grab the detector and we want to hold the on button for 3 seconds and it's flashing blue. Okay, so now that we have the receiver on and the detector on, we want to go ahead and press whichever one we want. So we want to press number 1, probe pair, and then on the detector, press the pair button, and they'll be pairing. So now they should be paired, and it is. So the range on this is preset at the factory, and it's going to be 17 feet and 5 feet to each side. So if you want to do the maximum range, which goes up to 50 feet and 10 feet on each side, you want to press 1 because that's what we have. So we'll press 1 and then we'll probe set for 3 seconds. And that'll give us 50 feet. There you go, it's set. Okay, so now that we have it set to 50 feet out, 10 feet on each side, we're going to go ahead and test it out and see what it does. So I'm going to walk back there and then walk back up. Okay, so we installed the detector where we wanted it positioned at, but we also went on their website and we purchased a solar panel. So we're going to go ahead and install that, hook it up to that, and have the sun power the unit. Okay, so that ends the installation for Letwesaf radar and motion alarm system for our home. But you can take it off grid. If you go on RV, if you're going camping, you can set the perimeters if somebody's coming up to your campsite or your RV site. Even if you have animals coming up, that'll detect that. And you don't have to be a full-time RVer. You could be a part-time RVer. You could take it with you. We're real happy with it. We installed it in the front. We're going to purchase another one for the back. We want to thank Letwesaf for sending us this product so we could test it out and install it. We absolutely love it. And if you're interested in this product, the link will be below. Appreciate you watching the video. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.